how can companies make sure their data quality meets the requirements of modern data governance? So I guess that's the agenda for this session. So any comments on that?
So I think when you say the modern data governance, what do you mean by is it's from the compliance perspective, right? Um, uh, the, so the data governance have multiple aspects. So when we say data governance, what we're saying is that how do we define the data? Basically our data governance program, so that data is compliant. So that means people are getting the reporting and everything is the data is getting the right data, as well as our internal people who are getting the data is high quality part of that. So what we consider at OvalEdge is the data governance program have three aspects to it. One is the data intelligence, which is data cataloging, ensuring the metadata is good quality. Another one is the data quality program, which is improves the quality of the data over the period of time, obviously. And third one is the privacy and access control, so that making sure that it's comply with all the PII privacy laws, different laws in the country, in the world, and then making sure they establishing the control in places so that only the right people can see the right data at the right time. Right. So those are the three ways I would say the modern data governance work is, with three paradigm of that, and implement holistically, so that you can have a complete, so that not only that, again say the data quality, you cannot do only data quality unless you improve the metadata quality. That comes through data intelligence program. So you have data intelligence, data quality, and privacy and data access control as in modern data governance.
Got it. And also, just to follow up on that, when you're talking about data governance, it's so large and the goals and everything, objectives, they vary. So I guess when you're talking about data quality, it's kind of important to understand what does data governance mean for you as an organization and what are your priorities, and then how do you actually align data quality to meet those requirements, because I think no two people agree on the definition of data governance, which is such a
Yes.
tragedy because you're trying to govern the data itself, but you can't even agree upon what it means. So, yeah,
Yeah,
that's
and
just
one
from
of the
my
program in the data intelligence, which is the business glossary, the objective
yeah.
of that is really to come up with the consistent definition of KPI, metrics, etc. Right? But the data governance itself, we do not like everybody do not agree on the exact definition of the data governance.